Let us quickly look at the new 7 wonders of the world. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is an Islamic monument, located in the right banks of the river Yamuna, in the beautiful city of Agra. It was built in 1632 AD, by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, for his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. The Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid of Giza is the largest Egyptian pyramid and the tomb of 4th dynasty pharaoh Khufu. Built in the 26th century BC, during a period of around 27 years. The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is a series of fortifications built around the 7th century BC, to protect northern borders of the ancient Chinese states, from nomadic group. The Colosseum. The Colosseum is an oval amphitheater, built in the 80 AD, and is located in the center of the city of Rome. It is the largest ancient amphitheater ever built till date. Christ the Redeemer. Christ the Redeemer is a modern-day structure, designed by French engineers, and commissioned in the year 1932. It was built in the peak of the Corcovado mountain, overlooking the city Rio de Janeiro. Petra. Petra is a historical site in the southern Jordan. It was built by the Nabateans as early as the 4th century BC. It was considered the trading hub. They were skillful in rainwater harvesting, and stone carving. Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is a 15th century Inca citadel, located in the eastern cordillera of southern Peru, on a 2,430 meter mountain ridge. Machu Picchu was constructed as an estate for the Inca Emperor Pachacuti. Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is located in the eastern portion of Yucatan State in Mexico. It was a large pre-Columbian city, built by the Maya people of the Terminal Classic period.